Hello everyone, I'm coming at you from behind my dryer. Last weekend it was very cold. In fact, it was a very bad weekend. Had a pipe freeze and the Jeep is dead. The power steering pulley bearing seized while I was warming it up Monday morning, well actually Monday afternoon, and it ran for about an hour with a broken belt. It was running when I shut it off, but it's bad. I'm gonna have to get a new engine for the Jeep. Anyway, but I want to install a heat lamp in the crawl space, and I'm gonna put it on a switch. So I'm gonna mount a switch somewhere down there. And this is what I have. I have an extension cord plug to that switch. I'm going to plug it into that outlet where the space heater is. I'm going to drill a hole in the floor, and I'm going to run the rest of the pigtail for the heat lamp with the end of it over there under the crawl space. I'm going to put my heat lamp shining up on the pipe that froze. So I want to go ahead and mount the switch and drill the hole into the crawl space, and tomorrow when it gets warm enough, like above 32 or 35, so tomorrow when it warms up, I'm going to get out of the house and I'm going to put the heat lamp under the pipe. I'm going to poke the pigtail up through the floor and connect it to the switch. That way when it gets cold, I can come over here, I can turn the switch on and the heat lamp will come on and hopefully keep the pipe from freezing. So let's get after it, shall we? Well, the box is mounted. When this switch is up here in position, this will plug in right there and we'll be good to go. Now we need to drill a hole in the floor down there for the other pigtail for the extension cord to go across to the lamp. Let's go there. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop this through the hole I made. And then anchor it to the plug end of the extension cord. That way it doesn't fall down in there. Okay. Got that taped off there to where it won't go anywhere, and I've got that down into the crawl space so that when it gets warm enough tomorrow, I get into the house, I pull that string over, I can attach the powered pigtail and pull it up in here. I can put the lamp in the crawl space under the pipe and have it shining up on it. And it's tomorrow, well, which is today. I get to do my least favorite thing, get out of the house. Alright, so I got my light rigged up to shine on that pipe. Hopefully it's close enough to do some good. Because it is real tight in there. Yeah, move it, I don't know. I have a clue. Maybe? I don't know, we'll see. So I gotta reach across there and get my pull string going up into the house. And then grab the wire going to the lamp. Alright, got the string. You're gonna tell me that that's it. Yup. Oh, phooey. Okay. Well, we'll see. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, come on. Okay, got that. I did not bring my roll of tape down. Shoot. Alright, I can do this. I bend a hook there. I bend a hook in it. And I attach my loop of string here. Alright. I'm gonna bend that over more so it'll fit through that hole going up. And the thing is, I've got my Leatherman. Now let's see here. That ain't gonna go through that hole going up. That will. Okay. I should have brought my tape with me, but I didn't, so that ought to get me up there. All right, we're back in the house. Let's see if we can get this pulled up. Ah, there we go. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. And we got enough to get to the box. All right. And then go. There we go. That's better. Okay. Okay. Let's let the smoke out. Okay. Now let's go over here. See if we can see light. Yes, there is light. Sweet. Well, that's going to do it for this video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't, do subscribe. It's free to you guys and it helps my channel a lot. I will. See you later.